Hey y'all. I decided that instead of just describing the problem, I would go ahead and record a video to illustrate it. The layout of my machine is basically the same as what Ben has, although a few of my modules are a little bit different. And for instance, over on my clock module over here, I actually found that this button was actually so unreliable that it would actually even bounce when I was releasing it. So that was kind of terrible. So I put like a very large capacitor in here. So I've got a very long clock delay. But anyway, this is my program module over here. Let's see here. I've got the clear pin, pin 1, is tied high, so it should not be clearing right now. The data input pins shouldn't be relevant because I have the load wire tied high. I have the 2 enable pins tied together from here to here, also tied high. And then I've got all of the outputs, like the outermost one over here, pin, what is that? 8, 9, 10, pin 11, I think? Yeah, pin 11 over to the far left LED, and so forth. So I'm just going to show you a couple of pulses here. Like, keep an eye on the blue light. So like 2 things that you saw there. First of all, it updated twice, which it shouldn't have done, but also like on the first pulse it went to 1, but then on the second pulse it's all the way up to 7. Or sorry, on the release it's all the way up to 7. So we're going to do one more. So like, interesting, because on the falling edge, or on the rising edge, it only counted 1, and then it counted, what are we up to now? 8, 12, 13, so it went from 7 to 13, so it's not even the same amount. So I'm going to do it once more. So it seems that on the rising edge it's kind of consistently going up by 1, but then on the falling edge it's just, who knows? So anyway, that's the problem that I'm trying to figure out how to diagnose. And if anybody has any advice, turning the light on, the chip up there, you're not going to be able to see it in the video, but it is, sorry about that, it is an SN74LS161A. So I don't know. Would love some help, but I'm going to assume at the moment that the chip is actually bad and order a replacement.